This is the table for trigonometric special values. Okay, these values are very important. Let's discuss some examples. First example, sine. Evaluate the following: sine 60 degrees into cos 30 degrees plus sine 30 degrees into cos 60 degrees. Okay, we know sine and cos values. Sine 60 degrees value is root 3 by 2. Cos 30 degrees, sine 60 degrees equal to cos 30 degrees. Okay, into root 3 by 2 plus sine 30 degrees value is 1 by 2. Cos 60 degrees 1 by 2. Okay, sine 30 equal to cos 60, which is equal to root 3 into root 3, 3, 2 into 2, 4, 1 into 1, 1, 2 into 2, 4. Okay, take LCM 4, 3 plus 1, 4 by 4, which is equal to 1. Okay. Next example, 2 tan square 45 degrees plus cos square 30 degrees minus sin square 60 degrees. Okay, 2 into tan 45 degrees value is 1. Here tan square 45 degrees. Okay, tan 45 1, tan square means 1 square plus cos square 30 degrees. Cos 30 degrees value is root 3 by 2. Cos square 30 degrees. So root 3 by 2 whole square minus sin square 60 degrees. Sin 60 degrees value is root 3 by 2 sin square. It means root 3 by 2 whole square. See, plus minus. Get cancel. 2 into 1, 2. Okay. This value equal to 1. Next example, cos 45 degrees by secant 30 degrees plus cosecant 30 degrees. Okay, we know cos 45 degrees value is 1 by root 2. Okay, secant 30 degrees plus cosecant 30 degrees. If we don't know secant and cosecant values, only we know sin and cos values. In this case, secant 30 degrees, which is equal to 1 by secant equal to 1 by cos theta. Here theta equal to 30 degrees, cos 30 degrees. We know cos and sin values. Cos 30 degrees equal to root 3 by 2. Okay, which is equal to 2 by root 3. Next, cosecant 30 degrees. Cosecant, if we don't know cosecant 30 degrees, which is equal to 1 by sin theta. Here theta equal to 30 degrees. Okay. Sin 30 degrees value is 1 by 2. Okay. Which is equal to 2. Secant 30 degrees 2. Cosecant 30 degrees equal to 2. Secant 30 degrees equal to 2 by root 3. Okay. 2 by root 3 plus 2. So 1 by root 2 into, here in denominator 2 plus root 3 plus 2. Take LCM. LCM is root 3. 2 plus, here 2 by 1. In denominator we have 1. We have to get root 3. So 2 into multiply with root 3. Okay. This fraction becomes 1 by root 2 into, right, reverse the fraction, root 3, reverse of this fraction, root 3 by 2 plus 2 into root 3. Okay, root 3 by 2 into root 2, 2 root 2 plus 2 root 2 into root 3. Okay, so here root 2 is common, 2 root 2 is common, which is equal to 1 plus root 3. Okay, root 3 by 2 root 2 into root 3 plus 1. Okay, multiply with root 3, rationalize. Root 3 minus 1 into root 2. Root 3 minus 1 into root 2. Okay. Which is equal to root 3 into root 3. Root 3 into root 3, 3 minus root 3 into minus 1 minus root 3 into root 2. Okay, by, see here, 2 into root 2, 2 root 2 into root 3 plus 1 root 3 minus 1 into root 2. First multiply root 2 into 2 root 2, 3 minus root 3 by root 2. Root 2 into root 2, 2, 2 into 2. A plus b into a minus b, which is equal to a square minus b square. Here a equal to root 3, a square minus b square, b equal to 1. Okay, which is equal to, here using a plus b into, using identity a plus b into a minus b, which is equal to a square minus b square. Okay, next 3 into root 2, 3 root 2 minus root 3 into root 2, root 6 by 4 into 3 square is root 3 whole square, 3, 1 square is 1. 3 root 2 minus root 6 by 4 into 3 minus 1, 2. 3 root 2 minus root 6 by 4 2 is 8. Okay. What we have done? Here given, first write cos 45 degrees, secant 30 degrees, cosecant 30 degrees values. Next take LCM. Okay. Here we get equation root 3 by 2 root 2 into 1 plus root 3. Okay. Here in denominator we have root 2 into 1 plus root 3. So rationalizing the denominator. Okay. Multiply with, it means multiply root 3 minus 1 into root 2 by root 3 minus 1 into root 2. Okay. Simplify the equation. We get, finally we get 3 root 2 minus root 6 by